Hey everyone, and welcome back our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're gonna have a super fun family drawing. First, let's draw Dad. We need black liner pen. What about Dad's hair?
My hair is kind of messy.
What shape is your face, Dad?
It's kind of like a round U, but not quite.
Let's add 2 circles for big eyes. Wow, that's so cool! Then add a small dotted nose. A big smile to show how happy he is to be with his family. Small ears. Let's give him a cool outfit. His long arms. Comfy pants. Dad's shoes. Wow, Dad looks amazing! Let's move on to little girl Lily. Hey Lily, what's your hair like?
I have brown pigtails that swing when I move.
Great! Can you tell me what you look like?
My face is like a small U shape. My nose has little dots on it. Oh, and don't forget my big smile.
Add rainbow-colored frock. Small arms and legs.
I have blue shoes.
Wow, what a lovely little girl! Now let's draw little boy Leo. Leo, what is on your head?
Cool cap.
Add a blue t-shirt. Orange shorts. Complete the outfit. Mom, it's your turn. What's your hairstyle?
I love a ponytail. Pink like cotton candy.
Next, she carefully shapes her face. Add eyes that sparkles with warmth and kindness. She wears a blue shirt, reflecting her calm and nurturing nature. Rainbow-colored skirt, symbolizing the joy and diversity in our family. She completes her look with pink shoes. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Black. Ivory. Rainbow colors. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. shoes. Brown. Pink. Peacock blue.
Orange.
Red shoes. Look at these fantastic family portraits.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep drawing, keep smiling.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time.